To send a message to multiple facilities, it's quite simple. First, I'm going to show how to send to all of your residents, and then I'll show you the staff version. So first, you either create a new message or open a template. Here, we're going to use a notification for severe weather as the example. To send to multiple facilities, simply click the to bar, and you'll see all your facilities pop up. Instead of having to select every facility individual, click the little drop-down box and select all. You'll see all of them are chosen, and you can click resident contacts. All of the other filters that normally would appear, like unit or floor, have been removed since you are sending a mass message to many facilities. That's not really an option you need in this instance. Simply hit apply and send. And you'll see in the pop-up that you'll have all the facilities the message has been sent to listed. So now if we're going to look at how this would work in the staff context, you simply again go to the drop-down, hit staff, and every facility that has the staff add-on is listed. So you'll notice that facility 44 is not available to send to because they don't have the staff add-on. So again, for recipient type, you just click staff, apply, and send.